breaking out. Dogecoin breaking out 100%. We've gotten a nice breakout here on the short term, but not only that, it looks to me like Dogecoin is also getting a nice bust move out on the weekly if it can hold. If it does, man, we're going to get some bullish momentum here and really thrust Doge to the upside. We just need to hold. We just need to hold. Hold the line there. Hold the line, Doge. Don't look like we're going to make it here on this. Looks like we will get stopped out there. We did not keep it moving there on the 1 minute. I was trying to get me a little quick one in, but it ain't gonna hold there, and that's okay. That is okay. Right now across the board, it is looking very nice. We've got some nice gains going on. I mean, all across the board, everything is in the green. I mean, we're in the green on the weekly, on the 24-hour time frames. We are in the green, guys, across the board here, with WorldCoin and MYX Finance leading the way. Still in the green, looking very, very nice here. To the downside we go here. Guys, I am sweating right now. I need to go wipe my brow, bro. I need to go wipe my forehead right now. That's what I need to do. Bro, I swear, man. I just that one hurt. I hate that, bro. I hate that. I hate that, man. That really sucks because, man, talk about killing it, bro. Killing it. And then, you know, that's why they do say, man, and they do not lie to you when they say, you know, you can have winning trades all day long, and you can have one bad trade come and wipe you out. So, man, manage that risk, boys. Manage that risk, minimize that loss, because when you don't, man, it comes back to bite you. I mean, look at this, bro. I mean, I honestly... was looking for a pullback. I've been looking for a pullback on the 4 hour for a long time here, guys. You know that. But with us getting a break above some of this resistance, man, we've got a breakout of this triangle, and it has a beautiful measure move target that I think we should see. Beautiful measure move target, 32.8 there. I'm not kidding, guys. I'm hot. I'm sweating over here. I swear, bro. Sweating over here. $24 Doge by Christmas. Let's get it. That's what we want to see, bro. A $24 Doge. TM, you right. Definitely need a small desk fan. Definitely need a small desk. Don't wick at my entry point, you piece of crap. Typical crypto, man. Typical crypto trading here, guys. Typical crypto trading here, folks. Come on. Patience, 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 patience. Patience, 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 patience. Patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue. Patience pays in crypto, they say. We are 100x. I don't need you to go far, Doge. I just need you to go like right up here somewhere. Literally on this bounce. That's all I need. I need a good swift bounce up here to retest previous support. That's what I need. 26.15 there. You know, we were patient here. We did enter a little too soon. We could have waited a little bit more. Down here would have been a better entry. 25.8. Even though I sat there and said 25.8 is going to hit. Sometimes it's hard to listen to your own gut, but you know, even if I only take $20 off of this, man, that's a win. Remember, I am 100x though, with $100 margin. So I don't really want to risk too much on this. If I can make 20, 30, 50 bucks, $100, I am going to take that. You know what I mean? Like right now, I'm up 23 bucks. I'm up 20%. You know, it would be a good idea up here at this moving average at 26 cents. I mean, unless we look like we're going to break above it, might be a good idea to go ahead and take that $30, that 30 bones when we hit right here. You know, I mean, I'm 100x. If I can take 20%, 30% off of that, I'm taking it. I am taking it. Come on. Let's keep it ride. Let's keep it riding here. Come on. Keep it going. We can keep it moving just a little bit higher there. I just need a good little piece here. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't even have a stop loss in, bro. I don't even have a stop loss in, and I'm up 30%. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. We might break out, but I'm taking it because I'm 100x, so I'm taking it. A win's a win, bro, and I needed that to make up for that recent loss. But still, a win's a win. Let's see, 2 losses out of, let's see. I would expect us to do exactly what I said we would do and come on up to test previous support for resistance, though. But with me being 100x, I would rather take 30 bucks. I could have let it go a little higher. But I entered the trade here. My voice cracked. Huh. I entered the trade here, though, right? We entered the trade here, 25.9, and we closed the trade here before the first dip down. So, you know, it was actually really a perfect trade. It was a perfect trade. It was a perfect trade, right? Entry price 25.9. We closed it right there at that first dip, which again, remember, it was 102x. Now, if you were throwing a little more money at that, would have got better gains. Again, like I said, a win is a win, guys. Focus on small wins. You're going to get bigger gains. I was literally, I was just waiting to see. And of course we did dip, right? We did actually dip. So, I mean, we did, we did dip on that as soon as I closed, right? I closed right here at 26.54, right? Wasn't that the close? Well, I closed right at the candle close on that first dip. That was a good trade, guys. And look, even though I could have held a little bit longer and got a little more gains here, look at what we're doing now. So altogether, guys, that was a perfect trade. Absolutely perfect trade right there. So now we are actually back down below the resistance. So at this point, I'm going to wait and see if we dip. See if we dip down to test the 200 moving average down here, which we likely could see take place now that we are below the resistance. And let's see. I mean, we're getting a little bounce here on that support. But we're still below the resistance. Let's see what happens here. Look at that. Got above it. I mean, just defying it. Just defying all odds here. Look at this. Perhaps I just needed to adjust my trend line, huh? Actually line it up with the handle to my little cup here. Actually line it up, because look what's happening. All we did was backtest. We're bouncing. We're going towards the measure move target of that POC that I mentioned to begin with. Absolutely 100% measure move target in play. This is going to hit resistance right here, but this is when it breaks probably. We already tested it here. We got rejected, pulled back, back test, confirmed, bounce off of the previous resistance for support. Oh yeah, we're going to break it this time. We're going to run. We're going to break it. We should run on up, test previous support. We do have right here coming up. Ooh, there it goes. Look. What did I say, man? And see, it happened so fast. But right here would have been a great entry. Now, like I mentioned though earlier, guys, like I mentioned earlier about how I enter a trade, I entered it here. I entered above the LSMA right here, down in a dip. You know, now you can, I mean, entering on a back test is good too, right? Entering on a back test can be good too, Ed, just like it would have been here. Look where we came up and got rejected so far. Right where I pointed earlier. You know, it's happening. It's just happening, and it happens so fast. You have to move with it. You cannot stay still. And that's the thing. To catch the trades like this, you gotta be, you really have to be fast. You gotta keep it moving. You gotta keep it moving. Peter Polland, man, thanks for hitting that subscribe button, bro. I do appreciate everybody that's showing up tonight on the stream. It has been a good one so far. If we could get you guys to smash that like button for us for the algorithm, that would be great. Much, much, much appreciated, man. Would you look at that? Perfect resistance right where I said at that previous support. That was the first step. Now, we're still going here. I still think we're going here. As long as we hold above these moving averages, we will continue and hit our target. And also, guys, I don't know if any of you that are showing up new to the stream know, but the Dogecoin ETF was delayed yesterday, or excuse me, today. So originally, the Dogecoin ETF was supposed to launch and start trading on the stock exchange Thursday, today. But we actually confirmed earlier in our previous live stream that the ETF is actually delayed until tomorrow. However, Dogecoin's price still pushing to the upside. We are now over. We just, where did 25 cents go? 25 cents is just gone, bro. It's gone. We just made it disappear like that. Just like poof. It's gone. 25 cents for Doge. And I mean, if we stay anywhere here above 26 cents, then I think 26 cents will be gone in no time too. I think we will be looking for a 30-cent Dogecoin in the very near future if this continues. And we've got the ETF momentum tomorrow too to further fuel the price action. So yes, it actually was delayed. And I don't actually know why the ETF was delayed. We didn't actually get a reason why it was delayed, but the ETF analyst from Bloomberg, Peter Bachunas, was confirmed saying that the ETF launch for Dogecoin was delayed until Friday. Yes, Hellblah, I mean, you know, I again, that was a good trade, but had I left the trade in and actually just, you know, went with my TA, yes, I believe we will hit, and this red line is actually the point of control, so this is the POC from the VPVR. Now, I think we will hit it. I think we 100% will hit it, but now it's too late to really enter the trade. I could still enter the trade, and try to catch a little move, but it's too late now. Down here where I entered the trade, this is why I enter trades where I do, right? So, just for example, I mentioned the MACD, I mentioned the LSMA. Most of the time, those two things alone are all I need to enter a trade successfully. And it depends on where the MACD is at. If the lines are crossing below the bars, or not crossing, but if they're about to cross, once the lines have crossed on the MACD once the lines have actually crossed on the MACD, it's usually already, the move has already happened. So really, you want to enter the trade before the lines on the MACD actually cross. And I always want to enter a long trade usually if the lines are well below the bars on the MACD. So I'm talking like, I'm talking like, as in right here. This is where I entered my trade. I entered my trade with the MACD right here. So before it crossed, right? If we go look at the price action, so I entered my trade, right before it crossed here. Really, in this case, man, in this case, the bottom was right at the cross. Typically, I see the bottom usually be before it crosses, and then after it's crossed, it's usually already happened. But in this case, the bottom was right here at the cross on the MACD, right? That was the bottom right there. And again, if the MACD is crossing, like say up here, for example, I mean, again, the MACD crossed right here. Nice cross right here for the MACD, and we also got a beautiful bounce in the price action for Dogecoin. But I still prefer, if I'm going to enter a trade, I still prefer to enter with the MACD down well below the bars. It just seems to play out more in your favor, less risk. Definitely less risk in that case. Now we could be trying to get us a little pattern going. What is up, Javier Sanchez? Welcome to the stream. Peter Paulin says, I hope I finally found a good Doge trading channel. Surprisingly, there is not a lot of worth a time. Well, Peter Paulin, you might be in the right place because for Dogecoin trading, because I have been trading a lot of Dogecoin. I don't know if, I've been trading a lot of Dogecoin, man. These are all Doge trades. So if you were looking for a Dogecoin trading channel, maybe you're in the right place, man. Dogecoin's not the only coin I trade, but lately, I will say, guys, Dogecoin is the coin that I can accurately trade and make the best gains on so far. Out of what I have attempted anyways in my trading journey, that's what I've been able to find. Dogecoin seems to be the one, man. Now, the thing that's happening now that we're seeing is a little bull flag. We could be flagging here. It's a little bull flag action. And the bull flag might get us above my target. But either way, we are still headed towards my measured move. Regardless. And that measured move would be the cup and handle, right? So there's the cup. Here's the handle. We broke out. Back tested. The resistance downtrend broke out. Now we're flagging. Looking for a run up. I mean, it's just beautiful, guys. It's just beautiful. Just beautiful. Now, if we don't break to the upside here, we get rejected for some reason here. I don't think, I mean, we are at this previous support. That's it. That's what we're testing right now. That is the only reason we stopped here. There was a nice little wall right there with this previous support. That's the only reason that we're stopping, though. I do believe Dogecoin is ready to go, and ready to go on the weekly, because I mean, we're getting a breakout here, and you know, the measure move is $1.05. Honestly, $1.05 may not even give us justice. You know what I mean? May not even be that may not even be him right there, you know? That may not even be him. We could be looking at something much bigger, right? We could be looking at something much, much bigger for Dogecoin here, folks. I don't think we're ready. Don't think we're ready for what's about to happen. I would like to just remind you guys joining the stream that this is not financial advice. Everything you see on the stream, any of my TA, my calls, my analysis, this is merely my opinion, and it's only for informational, entertainment purposes, whatever you want to call it. But the one thing it is not, the one thing you cannot call it is financial advice, because I am not a licensed financial advisor. I am just an average Joe, a typical guy that likes crypto, that is crypto obsessed. And yeah, if that's something that you're into, then you are in the right place, my friend. Go ahead and smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, join us. Make sure you join us. Now, we are not monetized right now on this channel, but once we do become remonetized, we will have some very, very nice perks for channel members, and we will be doing some giveaways once this channel gets remonetized. Because as you guys know, whenever I have gains, my community has gains. And yes, what you're looking at, yes. Are we going to see a 420 Dogecoin? I feel like it's just written in the stars at this point. I feel like it is bound to happen at this point. Right? It's bound to happen. Psychologically. I feel like the whales have already psychologically printed a $4.20 Dogecoin. It's coming, folks. It's coming. And when it does, I'm selling. I did not, Deadwood. You're gonna have to post that in Discord or something. Dirt floor cracker. Can we make it to my measured move? I got some funk to me. 420 Dogecoin is only a 2 to 3x from the previous all-time high with inflation factored in. I mean, it's not even that big of a move, bro. Bro's got a point. Bro's got a point, man. Maybe a 420 is an underestimation, man. We are going to the freaking moon, y'all. To the moon with you, Doge. To the moon with you, Doge. Bro, $100 Dogecoin? A $100 Dogecoin? Bro, a $100 Dogecoin. I don't know, man. I would definitely be, I would definitely be in shock. 100%, I would be in shock. That would be insane. I would come on now. Come on now. Don't get me all hot and bothered with some crazy stuff, man. I'm telling you right now, I would. Wow, what would the market cap of that be? Listen, I'm not really the math guy. I don't know if there's that much money able to flow into Dogecoin, but gosh, bro, if only, man, if we ever see $100 Dogecoin, then I might just go out on a limb and buy my first Lamborghini, bro. I swear, and I don't even believe in buying Lamborghinis. I think that's the stupidest thing a person could ever do with their money. But if Dogecoin hits $100, I would probably buy a Lamborghini just because. Just because. Hell, blah, have you had too much to drink, bro? Have you had too much to drink, my man? A 53 Willys wagon? What is that? $100 Doge, is that possible? What is a 53 Willys wagon? Bro, this might be the one right here. Again, though, this all falls back to how I go about trading and how I go about entry points. I do like it when it's down like this. As you can see back here, that's when we jumped. When the LSMA gets bent over like this, curling over the price action. But I'm not fond of where the MACD is. I do believe it'll go higher here. I think I could get a nice little trade in between here and the POC. But this would not be my ideal spot to enter. Even a scalp, you know, I mean, even a scalp trade, I would not be scalping this particularly. I mean, like I said, you could. You very well could between here and this POC, but there's just too much of a risk of it losing this support and coming down. Now this down here where I entered my trade earlier, and we took profit on that. This was the entry, right? This was the entry. You can always re-enter on these dips, but it comes with more risk than the first entry. This entry almost had no risk. Once the MACD crossed, and once the price bounced on the LSMA blue moving average here, we were good to go. And we knew we were good to go. That's why I entered that. You guys seen how quickly I entered that trade. I entered that trade quick because I knew that our bounce was coming. I knew the bounce was coming here very soon with the MACD crossing. With the MACD crossing and the LSMA curling under the price, I knew we were getting our bounce, and now we have gotten our bounce. And look, I just said that there's a good chance that this might fall, but it is. I did say, you get in on the bounces. Each one of these little dips is a good spot. It's just not my ideal entry. You are above the bars on the MACD. A time like this, the price could easily flip over on you instead of going higher. In this case, though, it does look like it wants to continue higher to my original target. I do apologize. There we go. I appreciate all of you guys showing up tonight. Smashing that like button means the world, and it does help us out tremendously on the stream, guys. So thank you very much.
What we do here is go back.
And we could do this. We could sit here on the short term and throw these patterns in. You can do this. I've done it. You can do it all night, man. That's one of the beautiful things about crypto. It trades 24/7. You could sit here and watch these charts all night long. There's no excuse to not be learning this, bro. All you need is an internet connection and a laptop. I started my YouTube channel. Some of you guys remember, I started my YouTube channel with a trash laptop. I mean, it's probably a 15 or 20-year-old laptop that I started my YouTube channel with. And, that was at 0 subscribers. Now we're passing 10,700 subscribers. Shout out to the subscribers, bro. Much love to all of you guys. I did, though, bro. I started out with an awful computer. It was slow as everything. And now here we are, bro. Now here we are. Basically, Hellblah. What's up, Haven Peck? Welcome back. Strakerheart, your Lambo is coming. You know what's crazy, guys? I had a long trade in at 21.8 for Dogecoin. And had I left that trade in, guys, I would have been in such beautiful, juicy profits right now. I mean, honestly, it's, you know, the patience it takes to really be truly profitable in this market is incredible. It is incredible, bro. I mean, had I been more patient, I mean, I would have made thousands of dollars on a $100 trade because I was $100 margin with 100x leverage. I would have made thousands in just 1 week. I would have made like $6 grand in 1 week. Granted, that trade from 21.8, I did make a few $100s on that trade, but you know, the fact that I could have made a few $1,000s had I been just a little bit more patient, you know, and that's all part of learning, though. It's all part of the process of this, you know. And for you, and if you think that you're going to, you know, if you're a beginner, and you know, you're trying to venture into the trading part of this, and you think you're going to jump in here and just start trading your ass off, man, don't jump the gun, bro, because you're gonna get wrecked. I mean, I almost feel like getting wrecked in crypto trading. I almost feel like getting wrecked in crypto trading is just like part of it. Like it's like an initiation phase of crypto trading. It's like you have to get wrecked at least once trading crypto to really appreciate the gains, right? To really learn to be patient, to learn to be disciplined. It's getting wrecked and losing that money that teaches you. It either makes you or breaks you, right? It either teaches you and you learn from it and you become a better trader, or it breaks you and you give up and you just retreat and you run. You know, I have been wrecked many times in this market. I have lost thousands and thousands of dollars. I have. So, you know, it's part of it. I would say that anybody in crypto that's been in crypto for very long would agree. I think that, you know, I am still myself on, very much so, I'm still in a learning process. I'm still trying to become the best crypto trader I can possibly become. The only thing is I am documenting the whole journey. You're probably better off that way. So, guys, we have 30 votes on our poll in the chat. Have you touched grass today? So far, 50% of you guys say yes, bro, every day. And you know what? I am happy to hear it. 20% said, no, what do I look like, a cow? 20 other percent said, I forgot. Thanks for reminding me to touch grass today. You're welcome. And 10% said always, and I smashed the like button. Well, thank you guys for that 10% that also smashed the like button. I do appreciate you guys. It has been one hell of a live stream. Honestly, it's been fun. It's been good. It's been great. We've got to watch Doge jump on this chart more times than I can count. I honestly, I feel like that's a good sign, right? TradingView is got the Dogecoin mascot just jumping all over the chart. So I think that that's a good sign, man, that Dogecoin is trading bullishly here. We are going to see one hell of a major breakout soon. This weekly chart is just heating up. I mean, it is getting hot. This weekly chart and this asymmetrical triangle. Honestly, if we go to the daily, I think we're breaking out. Look at that. Look at that daily candle open right there above the downtrend. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at it. $1 Dogecoin imminent. Doge definitely getting some activity. Hell blah. You know, Dogecoin ETF is just something that is something that I'm sure you and me both and many others too. A Dogecoin ETF is something that I really was not expecting. I mean, granted, you know, we have multiple other crypto ETFs in play, but a Dogecoin ETF is one that I was not expecting. You know, a meme coin ETF is something I was not expecting. I mean, I'm not sure what that means for the future of other meme coins. You know, are we going to see some kind of meme coin ETF phase? I mean, are we gonna have Shiba Inu ETFs? And actually, I think there is a SHIB ETF awaiting approval. I'm pretty sure there is a Shiba Inu ETF already in play. Haven Pack said, I'm going to buy some of the Doge ETF with my Doge trading profits. There you go. Hey, there you go. That's the game plan. I can dig it. I can rock with it. I can rock with it. All right, guys. So I just wanted to holler at you guys real quick. I am going to I mean, it is late. So, you know, we are at that time in the stream where where we can kind of kick back, man. Haven Peg said, I was born to do this. All you guys probably were too. I feel that way, bro. I do. I feel that way. I feel like I was born to do this too. Including the YouTube part of what I'm doing. I really do. Like, I feel like a lot of things in my life leaded up to this. Haven Peg said my trade is up over 244%. Let's go. Let's go. Huh. Not sure what happened there. That was not what I meant to do. Bro, it's killer, right? Honestly. Trigger Heart, much love to you, bro. All right, guys, it is that time, bro. It is that time. Oh. You already know what we're doing, bro. What is going on with your Plume, Deadwood? We're gonna take a look at Plume for Deadwood, man. We're gonna take a look at Plume real quick. Hold on one sec. Let's pull it up. We're gonna look at Plume 1 second, real quick, before we do our thing, man. Before we have our sesh, bro. We're gonna have a session, guys. Are y'all ready for the session? First, we need to look at Plume for Deadwood, man. Bro, I mean, I need to do some TA videos, man. I really need to get to work. I gotta make some videos because, I mean, we got some serious stuff going on. Let's look at Plume real quick. Let's see. Oh. What the hell? Bro, Plume has got up into the box. And look at what we did, bro. I mean, we didn't wick to the very top of it, but look at how close, bro. Plume just pluming. Now, look at that. That's the weekly. So, obviously, on the short term, we are getting a pullback, right? Did we get a pullback? We did. But look at that. Look at that box holding up. Look at my box, my range, guys. Look at that. Deadwood, you have to remember the range, bro, that I put into the Plume chart when you asked me to look at Plume. And look at what Plume is doing now. We literally trailed all the way up into the range, and now we're ranging. I mean, talk about accuracy, bro. Accuracy. This right here, what a massive opportunity this was, right? What a trade. What a trade. 8 cents to 12 cents. A 4-cent move, bro. Talk about even just a 10x'er on that, baby. Just a 10x'er on that one. Gonna get you them juicy gains that you so deserve. Oh my goodness. I do wish nothing but good gains, prosperity, happiness for each and every one of you guys. I feel it coming. You can feel it. I love that Plume jumped up into the range there for us, Deadwood. Honestly, I am digging this. And I think Plume is going to give you some badass gains. Some badass gains, bro. Now, on to the task at hand, folks. All right, guys. Give me 1 second here. JJ in the sun, let's go. Thanks for hitting that subscribe button, bro. Welcome on board and welcome to the AJC family, the AJC Army, the AJC squad. Who is going to be next and join him and join us on our cryptocurrency journey? We are about to have our session here, guys. You are ready for the session. I need to see some fire. Let's see some fire in the chat if you're ready. This maybe if I pull this a little closer, man. Ah. I love it. Life changer, Haven Peck, Deadwood. Let's go. Love it, bro. I absolutely love it. Much love to all of you guys, bro. Seriously, it's been a great stream. We've had a pretty good turnout. I mean, it's been lit. It's been a good stream. And I mean, I may not have done a whole lot of trading on the stream tonight, but I do appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate the energy. I appreciate the engagement. And most importantly, I appreciate the energy coming from you guys in the chat lately. It's been great, and that energy is contagious too. So we're gonna spread that energy like a wildfire, man. Ty Stew, today's streams were great, bro. Much love, bro. I am digging it. Again, like I said, the energy in the chat has been just on fire, you guys. All of you guys, man. We have all the OGs in here. We've acquired some new people. It's just great. It's great. No issues, good trading, good music, good vibes. I love it, bro. It's been awesome. It really has. And it feels so good to finally have successful live streams, man. It feels so good. Now, with that being said, we're going to celebrate a little. We're going to celebrate a little because it has been a while since we've had a stream like this, Hellblaw. It has. We've had issue after issue in the past with streaming, and now stars, they are aligning. Deadwood, I appreciate you, bro. If not us, who? Let's freaking crow. I love it, Haven. Let's go, Haven. Much love, y'all. Let's do it. I gotta get my applause audio back so I can hit that button and hit that applause, man, when necessary, because like right now I feel like I need a big round of applause happening on stream right now, bro. Let's go, man. Let's go. I appreciate y'all. It is now time. It is now time to celebrate. I'm celebrating you guys. Celebrating the new AJC fam. That's what we're going to celebrate right now. Go. Much love, you guys. Oh my god. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, this is making my eyes water, bro. Oh, just made my eyes water, bro. Oh, God. Okay. What's going on, Aussie? Welcome in, bro. Farts do that? My business cards are just my number and one word. Cryptocurrency. Real life. Let's go. Wait, what? My business cards are just my number and one word. Cryptocurrency. What? What is your business, bro? What is your business? If your business cards just say cryptocurrency, how do people know what you're doing, bro? Oh man, hey, if you got one, spark it up, guys. If you got one, pour it up, spark it up, whatever you want to do right now. This is that time, man. This is that time. I'm over here sweating, bro. I'm over here sweating right now. I'm blending Blue Dream and Trainwreck. Oh my goodness, bro. Alex C, what is going on, bro? What is your thoughts on Doge? Well, my friend, you are in the right place. Alex C, are you still here, bro? Are you there? I just want to make sure you didn't pop out, man. Some people be coming and going so quickly in the stream, you know, you just don't ever know. All right, bro. So listen, bro. You're in the right place if you want to know what's going on with Doge. Okay, but this is we covered all this earlier, but I just want to point out one thing. Doge is an asymmetrical triangle on the weekly. Asymmetrical triangle on the weekly, pushing a breakout of the downtrend resistance of that triangle with a measure move target of $1.05. Not financial advice. But we also have other measure move targets to look at. One of them actually being $4.20. I mean, take it for what it is. But hey, we also have another measure move target of $86 for Dogecoin. Now take that with a grain of salt. But I will say that Dogecoin absolutely is going to have a ton of money flow into its market cap. I mean, its market cap is going to be, it's going to be pushed to the limit, bro. How much can it hold? How much juice can it hold? Because it's coming. It's going to flood it. It's coming. The flood is coming. Haven said, I've talked to people about crypto for 7 years. None of them do know what I'm doing. Exactly, bro. They don't. Right? I see altcoin season has started according to the altcoin season index chart. Yes. Yes, we are there. We are there. Life Changer says, I think the last pullback of BTC starting between 116 118 can let Doge go down to 22.6. From there we go rocket nonstop. Man, I can only hope. I can hope Dogecoin goes to 22.6, bro. Because if it does, then I mean, talk about one heck of an entry. Absolutely. Aussie, my ex is, we have it right here actually. We got it pulled up. We don't have it pulled up. Here we go. X, it's in the description. All my links to all my social media is in the description of my videos. The description of this live stream should have links to all my social medias too. But here it is, just because, you know, What's up, Den Trader? XRP to 277. What it? Or 20? What? Wait. What? What's up, Den? Let me know. Let me see what you're talking about here. XRP to what now? You say 277. Bro, XRP on the verge of breaking out on the daily. I mean, we are breaking out on the daily. I mean, I don't know, man. What do you mean? What up, Tank, bro? I ain't seen you in a minute, bro. What's going on, man? What's up, Shibu? What's up? Good to see you, bro. Good to see all of you guys, man. Seriously. Cheers, bro. What's up? Feels good to be here, man. I'm extremely grateful for all of you guys, man. It's time. It's time for another one. What'd he say? What'd he say? Get him one. Shibu. Shibu. Welcome. Welcome to the family, Shibu. Nice to have you. Glad you're back, Tank. Feels good to be back, Tank. Much love. I appreciate you. Fire it up. Start your engines. Folks, start your engines. We are almost to the mark, guys. Look. Oh. Look, we're almost there. We're almost there, guys. Listen. As soon as we hit the mark, it is time. That's how we do it, man. That's how we do it, bro. I just found your live, bro. Love you, got a live. Yes, bro. Yes, thank you. Thank you, bro. Yes. What's up, Jay Sharam? He's celebrating tonight, guys, because you know what it is, man? You know what it is? The reason we're celebrating, man. Do you understand? Blue Dream, bro. We got all the dreams coming at you. We dreaming all right, baby. Let's go. Turn it up. Yes, we are on a tangent right now. Yes, you are right. You guessed correctly. We are on one right now, folks. Maybe it's this crazy full moon that we've had. You know, that could be the factor, man. I get a little wild, man. I do. I get a little wild when them full moons be hitting, bro. But you know what? I got like 3. Oh. Oh. Bro, I about broke my shit. Yeah, man, blood moon, exactly. I'm telling you, maybe that's what's gotten into me, bro. Ah, yes, sir. I join in, bro, dancing. What up, man? What up, man? Bro, what is going on? Welcome back, ATL guy. Is there a moon phase versus Dogecoin chart? Oh, that's a good question. Honestly. There's actually a moon phase indicator, bro. I forgot about that. Holy shit, bro. Hold on, you just reminded me of something. Shiba, I appreciate you hitting that subscribe button and joining us. Who's gonna be next to join him? Smash that subscribe button. Join us. Join us on this massive cryptocurrency journey that we're on. Don't get left behind. You ain't gotta do it alone. I already know that you don't know anybody else to talk to about crypto. Join us and talk to us about crypto. Let's go. ATL guy in the chat right now got 5 longs printing. Let's go. I forgot all about this indicator though. Bro just reminded me of this indicator, and wonder if I can still find it. Yes, dude. Bro. This may not be the right indicator. This is the right indicator. This is the moon phase indicator, bro. This is it. So look. Basically tries to give you your entries. Now, obviously you can adjust these settings, right? Adjust these settings and adjust these inputs and these settings to your, to suit however you want to adjust it. But I will say this, guys, just looking at the default settings here, I can tell you that this was a good long right there. Pretty good long entry right here. Pretty good short right there. It's something to look at, It is something to look at, but there is that's an indicator. You mentioned an indicator like that, so that's what I could Oh shit, what is going on?
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Oh, yes, sir. Dogecoin price predictions. I got you, bro. I got you. I got you, bro. Got you. No. You don't want to. No, you don't need to go nowhere else, bro. price prediction are we talking, bro? What kind of price prediction we talking, bro? Like, I mean, because I got you, but
for those who
no, bro, what the? We got short-term price predictions. We got long-term price predictions. We got intermediate time frame price predictions. But my favorite one, as everybody in the chat knows, my favorite Dogecoin chart right now has got to be this weekly chart. 100% my favorite right now, because it points to the most prominent psychological target for Doge, which is that dollar area, that $1 Dogecoin price level here. And I love it. It's a textbook perfect setup for a major breakout for Dogecoin. And it's testing it right now at 26 cents. That is the breakout zone. Now, we do have this to look at, right? So you do have that little bit of resistance right above the downtrend that could hold us back. That's at about 27.5 cents right here. About 27.5 cents. Now, let's go down on this chart to the short term just to see what is going on here. Ooh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I would prefer, I'll keep this for the weekly. Prefer a better chart for our short term analysis there. But that weekly chart, man, that weekly chart is him right there. That is him. That is him. That's the one. Now, short term, I mean, this is a weekly too, weekly or daily chart, but look, 32.5 cents. Dogecoin is going to go to 32.5 cents first. It has to test this. Look, I mean, it's gonna have to at this point, right? It's gonna have to test this at this point. There's just no there's just no way around it at this point, you know? It is gonna test that. I would expect that at 32.5. And that might be where we are trying to go now on the daily. In the next week, we could see Dogecoin at 32.5 cents. In the next week and a half. After this ETF launch tomorrow, bro, it's coming. It is coming, bro. Now, let me look at the chat real quick because I lost you guys for a second. My bad. But we back, all the way back in it. I want an entry on Doge, bro. Yes, sir. Now, psych-wise, we know a buck will have a lot of profit takers. I bet at 96 cents. I agree, Deadwood. Right under the psychological mark of $1, probably. We will get a big dip. Load the boat. Jay Shriram has got 1.2 million Dogecoin, bro. Congratulations. If that is true, man, congrats, bro. Do you really? Let me get some, man. Could I get me a couple of 100,000, bro? Just a couple of 100,000, man. That's all I need. I got you, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. Hook me up, bro. Bro, much love to you guys, man. Night stream, bro. I appreciate you guys. Yes. Get off when you get to the moon. Long on ETH, nobody MYX, and just added CRO and Fartcoin today. ATL guy on a tear right now. ATL guy on a crypto trading tear. I'm loving my RWA play on Ondo, Plume, and for DeFi, it's Arrow. Let's go, Deadwood. I appreciate you guys. Keep it coming. Let me know what you guys are doing. I love the engagement, bro. That's awesome. ATL guy out there trading his ass off with nobody, MYX, Finance, and ETH, and Crow, and now Fartcoin. Deadwood with the real world asset play with Ondo, Plume, and DeFi Arrow. ATL guy taking profit at 45.80 on ETH. Take profit 1 and then 46.50. I like it, bro. Deadwood, you have been on point with most of your calls as well. I will say, you know, we do have a heck of a community. You guys, all of you guys have been killing it in this market. And Greenfingers too. Greenfingers hasn't been here tonight or today, but Greenfingers too, absolutely killing it. And we got a bunch of grass touching fools in the chat today. I love to see it, bro. Let's go, Aussie. I appreciate it. $48 votes on the poll, and we have a bunch of grass touching fools, man. I love it. I love it. Absolutely, ATL guy. Yeah. Let's look at Crow real quick. Now we know we have looked at Crow before, so we do know that we've been watching Crow break out. Crow also has been in a textbook perfect pattern with a massive breakout taking place on the longer term time frames too. On the weekly time frame, I mean, what a massive breakout this is for Crow, right? Now, let's drop that down to the daily. Oh, would you look at that? So would you just look at it? So we actually have An even shorter term crow pattern here. I mean, this right here is pointing to around 58 cents. If this little thing were to break out, right? But really what we're looking at for Crow is going to be this measured move. Right? That's the move we're going to be looking at the most. So my measure move target on the daily breakout for Crow, or CRO, is $2.85. Now we might come back down 22.2, test previous resistance for support, or we might come all the way down to test the downtrend back test dip for support. Now that would put us down around 15 cents. Right around 15 and a half cents for CRO on the daily. And I think that makes sense. If we do need a back test, we would back test that downtrend, bounce on that, and then continue towards our measured move. We do have this box up here, which we might range in for a bit if Crow gets up into this box, and that's above 38.2. 38.40 cents here, give or take. We could get up into this box in range here. That's your previous breakout to the downside here, 38.7. Beautiful though, beautiful. Don't forget, guys, please hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed to the channel yet. Make sure that you hit the like button. It really helps us out, and we really appreciate you. We appreciate you being here too. Also really appreciate all of you guys in the chat. Much love to each and every one of you guys that have showed up and showed out in tonight's live stream. Tonight's live stream has been a good one, to say the least, bro. Much love to each and every one of you guys, bro.